Let's start with a dynamic warm-up, but first of all, let's find a conscious breathing. So meet me in a standing position with your feet shoulder-width apart. Get a soft micro bend into your knees. Feel the feet grounded, all 10 toes relaxed on the floor. Your weight is shifted between the big ball, the small ball of your feet, and your heels. And then go ahead and place your hands onto your body, one hand onto the chest and one hand onto the belly. Feel free to pull the chin slightly towards the chest to create a long neck. And if you feel comfy with that, close your eyes so you can better focus on your body, on your breath. So take a deep breath in through the nose. And breathe out through the mouth. Release everything you don't need anymore. Take a deep breath in. And a deep exhale through the mouth. With each second, start to find more depth in your breath. Really breathing into the upper back and feel how the shoulder blades are moving slightly apart. Breathe into your upper hand, 3-dimensionally into your ribcage. And use the exhale to awaken your powerhouse. So breathe in through the nose into your upper hand, which means into your chest. And as you breathe out, try to remove the belly from the hand. Pull the belly button in. Breathe into your chest, to your flanks, into your upper back. And breathe out. Pull the navel in and close the rib arches. Here, build up that soft corset feeling that you can keep throughout the session. You want to start each and every exercise with the power coming from your core, from the inside. So breathe in through the nose, into your ribcage. And as you breathe out, zip the belly button in and up, close those rib arches. Good. When you've found your breath, open up your eyes again, drop the arms. And with your next inhale, lift the arms up over the front. And with the exhale, lower them down again. It's just about moving the arms, so keep everything else stable and calm. Your shoulders away from your ears. Breathe in to lift. And breathe out to lower. Let's add the gaze and the thoracic spine a bit. So with your inhale, lift the arms up with the gaze, with the heart. And exhale, lower down. So we're having a little back bend, just a teeny tiny bit, to open the front side of your body a bit. Let's go for 2 more rounds like that. Inhale to lift your arms up with your gaze and your heart, and exhale down. With the next round, keep your eyes forwards, just lifting your arms. And with the exhale, drop the right arm to the side, come into a side bend so the spine is following. Inhale to return, and exhale to switch to the other side. So imagine a heavy earring is pulling you down. Keep your gaze forwards. So we have a nice lateral flexion of your spine. We open up the side of your body. Let's go for 2 more rounds. Stacking the shoulders above each other, keep the pelvis calm. And then hold it on your right side with me. Inhale to move the left arm to the side and forwards. And exhale to return up. Just moving the left arm up and over as you inhale. and exhale to come back to center. So it's a side bend and a flexion in one, and then we add a little bit of balance. So inhale to the side, and as you exhale, you lift the right knee and you point the right foot. That's it. Inhale. Exhale. With the help of your powerhouse, you will find your balance more easy. Let's go for 2 more rounds. And one more. Inhale up and over. And exhale, keep the right knee in the air. Keep a micro bend in the left knee. And then from here, we're just changing the arms. Inhale and exhale. Now keep breathing deeply and calmly. And just go faster with your arms. Keep your gaze, your eyes forwards. Get faster. And with the fast pace, the movements are getting tinier. Pretty fast and tiny. Let's go. Teeny tiny chopping movements with the arms, but keep the upper body steady and calm. So don't wobble around. If that's the case, then get bigger and a little bit slower again. And then maybe speed it up. So we want to awaken the deep muscles. Breathe in and out. Whoop. 2 more rounds here. Inhale. Exhale. Long arms, tension into your fingers. And with your exhale, you stop the movement. Breathe and lift the arms. And then just swing the arms forwards and backwards. Slow at the beginning. And then let's add the leg. So we're just swing the leg back and forwards. Don't think too much about it. Just go a little bit faster. And then it's pretty logical which arm is coming forwards and which is back. So it's left arm and right knee to the front. And then you switch. Just swing back and forth. Woo. Keep moving with your arms and just bring your right foot back so you're arriving in a kind of a lunge position. Keep moving in your arms. And now it's about moving your spine as well. So get a little rotation into your spine. Yes, good job. Pretty dynamic movements. All right, and then allow the arms to become slower. So we can arrive in a twist. Exhale, twist to the left. And inhale to come up. And as you can see, I'm already moving my legs. So whenever you're ready, join me for that movement. We bend the legs as you exhale. Inhale to stretch and to return to center. Make sure you're standing on 2 rails, so the feet hip-width apart. And really pressing those hands together. Strong prayer position to create a strong upper body. Good job. Let's go for 2 more rounds here. Sit bones heavy, shoulders back and down. And then stay low with me in the legs and just return in your upper body, interlacing your fingers. And now exhale to round your back and to push the palms forwards. Inhale to return and stretch the arms, palms facing towards you. Yeah, I show you the movement from the side. So exhale, we bend the legs deeper, we round the back. Inhale, flip the palms towards you and look up to the ceiling. Exhale to round. Inhale to lift the eyes up. If you want more, lift the front heel up as you inhale and ground the heel as you exhale. Ooh, legs are on fire. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Pulling the shoulder blades apart as you exhale. Inhale, try to keep the balance while lifting the heel maybe. Maybe it's already shaky without lifting the heel. Don't worry about that. It's still intense. Last one. Exhale to round. Inhale to lift the gaze up. Then keep the back rounded. Bring the back foot to the front foot and move the upper body a little bit from left to right. Just relaxing the quads, the legs, and create some softness in your back muscles. Shoulders down. Breathe deeply. And slowly come back to center. Drop the arms. Roll back up. Maybe give your legs a little shake. And then prepare for the second side. So again, feet shoulder width apart. Get a micro bend into your knees whenever you're ready. And you have created the power in your powerhouse again. Lift the arms up over the front. And drop the left arm to the side. Now with the inhale, you circle the right arm to the side and front. And with the exhale, you roll up vertebra by vertebra. Inhale, side and front. Exhale to return. Yeah, keep moving like that. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna lift the left knee off the floor as you exhale. Good. So immediately think about pulling the belly button in and up, closing the rib arches. This will help you to find your balance. Amazing work. Let's go for 2 more rounds. Last one. Keep the left knee in the air as you exhale. And then bring the left arm up, the right arm down, and vice versa. Let's go back to those arm movements. Slow and big at the beginning. Make sure to freeze in your upper body, but keep breathing. And then go faster and faster. And tinier and tinier. Create that chopping movements again. Thumbs up, long arms. And keep breathing. So this is about activating the stabilizer muscles, those deep muscles located at the joints. Very important for our posture. Lots of more. Let's go for 2 more breaths. In and out. 1 more in. And exhale, stop the movement. Lift the arms and then swing one arm to the back. Keep the other at the front and switch. Slow at the beginning, and then let's add the legs. So when the left arm is coming forwards, you bring the left leg back. Yeah, don't think too much about it. It's a pretty intuitive movement, so when you speed it up, it's pretty clear. So just don't think too much about it. If left or right arm forwards, just swing and drop. So the fascia tissue loves those swinging movements, so it's also about fascia warm-up today. Okay, bring the left foot onto the ground whenever you're ready. Keep swinging with the arms. And now it's not only about the arms. Let's loosen up the spine a bit and create this twist. Yeah, if you feel comfy with the balance, also move the head, look to the right and to the left. And then slow it down. Get slower and slower. Hands prayer position and exhale, we rotate to the right. And inhale to come up. Yeah, make sure the feet are hip width apart. And the stance is big enough to keep the front knee above the ankle as you bend. Good job. Just keep moving, keep the back heel lifted. So the left knee is almost kissing the floor. Let's go for 2 more rounds. Squeezing the hands together. You know what's next. We stay low with our legs and we just return with the upper body. Interlace your fingers. Now exhale to round, to push the palms forwards. Inhale to come up and take your eyes up to the ceiling. Round as much as you can, but keep the shoulders down. And inhale, look up. Beautiful. Keep going, and you really pull the feet together so you create an even stronger stance. If you want more, if it's not shaky enough for you today, then you lift the front heel up as you look up, and exhale to drop the heel and to round the spine. Let's go. 4 more rounds. You got this. Keep the back knee low. Keep the powerhouse strong. We're almost there. 1 more. Then stay rounded. Bring the back foot to the front foot. Bend the knees and swing the upper body from left to right. Ooh, my thigh was on fire. Slowly return back to center. Drop the arms. Roll back up. Give your legs a little shake. Good job.